everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1986 Ford Mustang LX coupe. Killer little car, guys. It's got 50-some thousand original miles on it, but the car has been completely pulled apart, and I don't know if you want to call it restored, but upgraded. Very neat car, man. Just as clean as you'll ever find an LX. My buddy out of Tennessee is the one that actually found me this car. You can see it's got 17-inch Saleen replica wheels on it. This is a factory color combination. This is Canyon Red Metallic. I wish we had some sunshine because it is beautiful. Again, car was pulled apart, painted, all new interior, and then it's been upgraded. It's got an 86 Mustang GT 5.0 drivetrain in it. And man, just a beautiful little car. And I hate to say it, but probably the fate of this car is it'll probably be turned into a race car, which is what most of these things actually have done to them. But beautiful car, very nicely done. I've got pictures of the motor being put in the car. Like I say, just a killer car. Most of these cars, when you're looking at this kind of stuff, you know, it's just beat up. Look how nice the front bumper is. Again, paint is just as slick as can be. Fun car to drive too, guys. Car rips. Again, super slick paint. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car. And again, it's a fresh build. I'm so used to doing the old cars, I don't know what terminology you want me to use, but restoration, complete body up restoration. I'll tell you, when you look at the bottom of this thing, it is just clean as a pin. Again, gorgeous paint. Rear defog. Look how nice that package tray is. And again, they redid all that. Somebody has spent a ton of money on this car. If you can't tell, I'm testing out a new camera here. My wife wanted me to get a new camera, but I kind of like my old trusty one. That's just, if you're seeing, that's just a little smudge or something, guys. But I'm telling you, just as clean as you can. I mean, you're just not going to find a cleaner little Mustang, guys. Those are 17 by 8 and 17 by 9 wheels. It's got a good sound and exhaust system on it. Just a wicked cool car. And like I say, when you see the bottom of this thing, it's just as clean as can be. Car drives out awesome, nice and tight. Again, this is an 86 Mustang GT 5.0 HO engine in it. Electronic fuel injection. And again, they took the complete drivetrain out of it. It's got the 5-speed manual trans. Look how clean this thing is in here. Aluminum radiator with a shroud, power steering, power front disc brakes, got air blows ice cold. Beautiful car, man. I can't imagine finding a cleaner little coupe, I'll tell you that. And like I say, most of these things are cut up and turned into race cars. Guys love them. They love to make street racers out of them because they're so light. There's your original door tag still in the door. Look at the bottoms of those doors. They redid all the interior. It's got that charcoal, vinyl, imitation leather interior in it. New carpet. Look how nice. It's got the halo seats. Again, back seats just as nice. I couldn't get the cruise to work, and then the radio didn't work. 57,931. That's the original miles on the body of the car. Air blew nice and cold. Again, it's got the original am-fm-cassette radio in it, and I couldn't get it to come on. Parking brake works though. Again, look how clean this car is. It's got the stock rear end with the rear sway bar. Again, they did a beautiful job painting the spare and jacks in here, and there's the original paint still on the floor. I got some good pictures of the bottom of the car. This camera's a lot bulkier than my other one was. Again, doors are nice and clean. Seats are nice. Five-speed, shifts out great, clutch is nice and tight. Glass is nice on the car. It's got dual remote mirrors. Got to click the one switch up. You're ready to go. There. Air blows nice and low. Go ahead and put it back out. Get a little rev. That was awesome. Make sure you set your parking brake and put it in neutral. I'll have you. Go ahead and slide out. You can open it. Let's close that hood here. Gauges are all functional. Tach works. Fuel gauge works. Like I say, the only thing I couldn't get in there to work was the radio, and then I couldn't get the cruise. Go ahead, Jared. Let me go through the lights. You can shut that door. Yep, give it a little rev, Gary. Nope, give it a little rev. Say car hits again. Didn't have anything on the radio. Blower motor, everything like that works. Wipers. Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in in touch with us. This is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.